Came and rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry, I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins.
G'day beasts and welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel today. And in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my streetwear pickups over the last few weeks and actually pushing it out over the last month or so. So if you do go on to enjoy, don't forget to smack the video a like, subscribe, join the beast if you guys want to see more of this sort of content. Check out some of my other stuff. As always, thank you guys for watching. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so we're just going to keep it moving here. We're going to walk our way down to this side of the rack and then we're going to come back towards this side. This isn't all my clothes for the month. This is just like my collection that I've got going on. I'm just going to pull out a few items and run with that. So hopefully you guys are cool with that. So we're going to come over to this side here. Starting off, we're going to pull out these green track pants. So got these for a very nice little pickup, $10, thank you very much. And they are quite simple. They're that olive green, and everyone knows that olive is one of them colours that you can just wear over and over again. It's almost like a black. You can just sort of throw it on and you're not going to get called out for wearing the same thing all the time. It's pretty cool. It's got the cuffs, not too big on the cuffs these days. Either way, it's still a nice piece. Nothing really exciting. Drawstrings are basic, but you sort of need that sometimes. Coming back down this end of the rack again, I've got this really cool pair of denim that I've been looking to get something like this for quite some time. So this is a pair of washed out black denim, almost a grey you could almost say, and it's got these knee rips that are not fully blown out yet. We all know what happens to the knee rips. They end up blowing right out. But either way, they do serve a purpose. I'm going to be able to wear them quite a bit. And they were only $15 at factory on the clearance. And you always got to love the clearances because that's where it's at. They've got the nice buttons as well in the center instead of having the zip. So buttons are always pretty cool to find. You know, factory do that. I've got another pair. They seem to do that on their better denim. What is better denim at factory? But anyway, that is that pair. Let's keep it moving. I'm gonna have a look. We've still got a few more things down this side of the rack. I've got this creamish stone color here that is really washed out. I did reference it in my last video that I showed you guys, my 5 styling tips for streetwear. Go and check that out. Cheeky plug. But this hoodie right here has a nice drop shoulder. It's a little bit hard to move your arms all the way forward, so probably won't be driving heaps in this, but it's still a pretty easy everyday hoodie to wear. And yeah, I'm gonna look to match this, say with the easy blushes or something like that. It'll work pretty well, I think. So moving back down this end again, we've got this olive hoodie. See, I've sort of just, these are all cheap hoodies by the way, they're like $10, and this one I think was $15. It's a very easy hoodie. I did wear this one to the Damn concert underneath a jacket, a black denim jacket. It's once again a Kmart hoodie. You don't need to go big baller brand with this sort of stuff. This is how easy streetwear really can be if you just want to go light. It's only a thin hoodie. You can wear it under jackets, and really, what more do you want from your hoodies? So that is about that. I've got a Damn merch hoodie as well that I did pick up from that Kendrick Lamar concert. If you want to check that out, head over and check out my Damn haul. We'll leave that to the side. Moving on, we've still got a few more things. We've got this Adidas track jacket right here. This was a $2 come up at the thrift. You guys have seen me wear this in that Damn merch haul video. And yeah, I wore this all through Melbourne and that, and it was really good jacket. I can't complain. It was pretty warm. Definitely like more of an inside jacket. I wouldn't rely on this just for your only outside jacket. Probably want a jumper or something underneath this if you were to go outside for a long period of time. Either way, really bright colours. Don't usually do the bright colours, so quite cool to have something different here. Moving along, I don't think I picked up any jackets over the last, say, month other than that one there. We've got one more piece, I believe, until we get into some of the one really cool thing. So I've got this size extra large, so we're going for that oversized look. We've got this grey, white and black flannel. I'm just been piecing together these sort of outfits in my head, and once again coming through with a nice $10 flannel. You cannot go wrong. Again, don't make streetwear too complicated. You don't have to anyway. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. that is how cheap a pretty cool streetwear aesthetic could be. We've got one more pickup here, and it is probably my favourite sneaker pickup for quite some time. We wouldn't say sneaker, it's a shoe. So let's just jump into that. We come down here on the second shelf. We've got this box here. You guys probably aren't familiar with this if you're not in Australia. I don't know how far this brand reaches, but a Roger David exclusive Chelsea boot right here. So we've got this nice dark grey Chelsea boot, and you know, like you really can't do too much wrong if you go dark grey Chelsea boot. It's got the nice black elastic on it as well, and yeah, I just really couldn't go wrong. Got them in a size 12, that's all they had, but the size 12 fitted really nicely. It's got this kind of gum sole. I wouldn't go as far as to call it gum. It's a little bit more stiff and probably not as good quality as a gum sole, but we'll leave it at that. Either way, I've got a really nice aesthetic that I'm piecing together with these shoes, and you can pretty much pair everything that I showed you, bar probably the olive set, the olive hoodie and olive track pant, with this shoe. So that has been my monthly pickups. None of this was really too expensive, and that is really what we're after. We're after cool aesthetics, but not breaking the bank, because who wants that? Why not get cool stuff for cheap and get a little bit more of it, rotate through some stuff. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the video a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe, check out some of my other content as I've mentioned, and as always, I've been Brodos. You have been awesome. Stay classy.